You loading up, Katie?
Gravy too. Don't. Sweet potatoes.
Okay, this is our company Thanksgiving Luncheon. And I already loaded up my plate. Did you get some plenty, Dottie?
Huh?
You get plenty?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And here's my plate.
When we first moved here 6 years ago, we bought that house on Pintail, and then when Bailey had the girls, I told my husband, I said, let's go buy us something else. Leave that for Bailey. And we've only been in this house now for 6 months. Yeah, the roof went bad like 6 years ago, and the guy never fixed it. He just put bricks on top of it. But he cashed the insurance check, that's why he had to sell it. Yes and no.